Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. I'm here at Dalad Bangyai MRT Purple Line station in Nonthaburi, and today I'm going to take you to Siam Square. We're going to take the Purple Line from this station here, Dalad Bangyai, and we're going to go all the way down there until we get to Poon, and at Poon we're going to jump onto the Blue Line MRT and go to Chatuchak. Okay, pass through the security. สวัสดีครับ
รถไฟได้ครับประมาณ15นาที
Okay, so today the MRT Purple Line has been delayed, so please anticipate additional travelling time or consider other transports. Luckily, I set off early. Okay, it's time to get a
ส
ticket.
วัสดีครับจุตุจักรจากปากนะ
Okay, ขอบคุณครับ Okay, I said I'm going to Chatuchak Park, which is on the blue line. So it's the MRT and they're all the same company, so you can just pay for Chatuchak. And if you pay for it here to go to Chatuchak, it saves you having to pay for it at Chatuchak station, because it's even though this is the Purple Line MRT, we're going to change onto the blue line at Chatuchak. So like I said before, it's all part of the same company. Okay, here we are on the platform. Hopefully there won't be a long delay. There's some boards up here that you can see that display information, so I'm going to try and check it out. Okay, according to this, Poon in 2 minutes. Top tip, always make sure you are first at the gate so you can get yourself a seat. There you go, so please don't block the train doors or platform screen doors when they are closing. I would have thought that would have been obvious. Okay, so if you're going from Dalad Bangyai to Poon on this, the travel time is roughly anything between about 40 to 45 minutes. Okay, here we are, everybody, at Poon station. Right, we're going to connect now to the MRT blue line, so we just have to go down here, and there you go, we've got a sign over there to the blue line platform. So that's all we do, just walk around here, follow the signs, of course. It's very easy, this is. You can't get lost, and just head straight down there. And there you go, there's quite a few people waiting on the platform. Though it's only about just before 2 o'clock, so it's not as busy. But if you hit this place at rush hour, you know, it's going to be super packed. And it's platform 1 you want, Chanchalanung. And this is where we are now. So we're going to go Bangsu, Kampang Pet and Chatuchak Park. This is where we'll get.
Bangsu Station. Please mind the gap between trains.
Bangsu Station. Okay, this is Kampang Pet Station. Okay, that's where we're going. Okay, Chatuchak Station here, or in Thai, Suan Chatuchak. So I want exit 3, BTS Chit Station. Okay, all you do now is follow the signs. So we're going to BTS Chit Station, straight down here. Okay, exit 3 or Tang Arc Sam. Up you go. And out we come of Chatuchak Park Station. Turn left, and it's a short walk down the street, and that's Chit BTS Station. It's just a short walk, it'll take you 1 minute. And that's where we're going to connect the BTS, and we're going to head towards Siam Square, or Siam. Okay, up we go. So this is the BTS system that we're changing on to now. Okay. Let's head for the ticket office, which should be over here. Aha, I see it. You can also use the ticket machines if you want, but I always find this a little bit faster and yeah, a bit more convenient for me as well, so never mind. สวัสดีครับอยากไปสยาม
นะครับ47 บาทครับสยาม
47 บาทเอาสักครู่มี40แล้วก็ลด Okay, so that's 47 baht. And
okay, สยามขอบคุณครับ thank you
ขอบคุณครับ Okay, you'll do. Tap the card and you want platform 1 and it says 2K Ha. Because we're in central Bangkok, it's a little bit busier. Here comes the train. It's the Bangkok station. Okay, we've got Ari station here. Sanam Bao station. Victory Monument Station. Payatai Station. This is the airport rail link station.
โปรดระวังช่องว่าง
Ratchathewi Station.
ผู้โดยสาร
Okay, this is where we're getting off Siam.
เพื่อได้อย่างไม่มีบริเวณประตูไม่มี
Okay, Siam is also an interchange station with the Ceylon line. Okay, down we go. All you have to do is follow the signs to the exits. So we've got exit 1 there and exit 2. Okay, so exit 2 is centre point of Siam Square. And if you go right, you can also walk straight into the Siam Centre. Ooh. And here we are at Siam Square. And that's just about it for this video, so thank you very much for coming along with me. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below. Give it a big thumbs up, drop me a comment, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!